Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, this is Pranitri and you're watching my third video. Do check out my last two videos. I'll be leaving the link of those two videos in the description box down below. So I did a poll on my Instagram and Facebook page and majority of you chose this 5 minutes smoky eye look over the other option, which was tips and tricks for the girls on the go. So your wish is my command. So that is the reason I'll be showing you how I do the smoky eye look in 5 minutes with exactly 2 products. But the ones who chose the other option, please do not be upset. My next video will be exactly on that. So without further ado, let's get started with creating the smoky eye look. So I'm starting off with the first step for the smoky eye look, for which I need these two things, and which is my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate. And the reason I'm using this pencil is because this is not a smudge proof pencil and I want it to not be a smudge proof pencil because I'll be smudging it with the help of this flat eyeshadow brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line on my upper eyelids. The line doesn't have to be precise or perfect, but I'm going to make it thin in the inner eye corner, and then I'm going to sort of thicken it in the outer eye corner, and then I'm going to smudge it with this pen, this brush. So now that I've drawn the line, and obviously it's not the most perfect line because it doesn't have to be, that is the whole comfort of a smoky eye look. So now I'm going to smudge this line with this brush, like this. Do you see how easy it's becoming for me to smudge it? If I would have used a smudge proof pencil, I would have been in a struggle literally. So that is the reason I chose that pencil. So that's it with the first step. It literally took me 1 minute to do it, and on days when I'm really lazy, I only do this one step, put on some mascara and go about the day. But on days where I want my smoky eyes to be a little more intense, on those days only I go to the second step, for which I need these two things, which is my fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and this Maybelline nude palette. Honestly, you don't really need a palette. If you have one of those single pot eyeshadows in the color brown, then that's it, that's all you need. But I have the color in this palette, so that is the reason I'm using this palette. So all you have to do is take a little bit of this brown eyeshadow on this fluffy brush and just have to blend it like this. Now to intensify this a little more, what I'll do is in that same brush I'll just dab a little bit like this, that's it, the black eyeshadow, and then I'll repeat the step and I'll do the same thing. So that's it, you guys. I'm done with the whole smoky eye look. I applied a little bit of mascara and I underlined my lower waterline off camera. So if you've liked what I've done in this video, then please don't forget to like it and share it with all your friends and family, whoever you think would like it. Also, please do subscribe to my channel for many more such upcoming videos. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.